It is not so easy to establish API connection.
And Exo's got the experience in wholesale, bringing in the good technology from Salesforce.
And APIs are kind of that like communication channel or glue to make that happen. We're communicating right now in English. I'm sharing my thoughts to you that are coming out of my brain, speaking English. You're absorbing that, hearing that, and it's going into your brain and you're responding back in English. Like APIs are basically like English for talking across all of these different systems. If you don't have an API, for example, to place a service order, if you don't have an API to start billing for a service, then how would you be able to order a service? How would you be able to start billing for a service? Ultimately, you need a way to connect these things together, and APIs are kind of that like communication channel or glue to make that happen. So to me, it's more of an enabler.
I think that APIs are still in the game. And of course, there is a space, and this is an important tool to automate the processes between the telecommunication companies. But we see that it is not so easy to establish API connection. It requires the investment on both sides. It requires commitment from the both sides. And this is a process which takes months or weeks, and this is not so easy to set up. So having said that, you can say that APIs are often the solution for the biggest players or medium players, because to make it, right return on investment, you have to have a scale, you have the proper number of orders, requests to make it really the case flying for this. So I think that the cases that we just described, this using of AI for quotation, for which you can really establish this kind of tool within the weeks, and you don't need to involve and have any involvement from the other side, and you can really gain already a lot of value for your business, a lot of savings, a lot of benefits from this. I think it's a good tool to improve your operations. So I would rather say that the AI won't replace APIs completely, but it will be a good tool to start with and good tool for low scale solutions.
If you don't have data, that AI doesn't add value. It's kind of the same thing. You need data, you need APIs, you need systems, you need processes. All of those things work in conjunction to make all of this magic happen. You kind of build it step by step, but the key thing is that you need that foundation in place. And I think a solution like an Exo for wholesale gives you a head start on that foundation. So you're not starting from scratch, you're part way there, and you tweak it based on what you need for your business.
So my words, ending and tying it all together from what I'm hearing, and Exo's got the experience in wholesale, bringing in the good technology from Salesforce, but also having that spark and that willingness to try things out, making sure that you're picking the use cases right, starting small, looking at your process, trying to look for the low-hanging fruit and picking the areas of automation where AI will bring the most value, right? Not removing people from the equation, but helping people and taking care of the places where we have a lot of load, a lot of quotations to go out.
When it comes to the AI, I think that this is a right moment to think about this, because we are after this hype. So there is a much more realism when it comes to this. And this is also a good moment for thinking about international wholesale, since such a companies like we have already some POCs and we are already have experience in this area. So just contact us if you have any ideas, if you'd like to learn more, if you need to improve your operations. So we are here to help you.